Welcome students. The fifth topic in physics is oscillation. Oscillation में फर्स्ट पॉइंट है पीरियोडिक मोशन. Periodic motion. Now, what is mean by periodic motion? The periodic, the word is related to time. So, that is the meaning of periodic motion. That is which repeats after equal time interval. So, the motion which repeats after equal time interval, that is called as periodic motion. For example, suppose sun, and consider this is orbit of earth. So earth revolves around the sun in circular orbit and it takes time 1 year to complete that orbit. After 1 year it again starts. So this is called as periodic motion because the motion after 1 year again starts. So it repeats after equal time interval. So the motion which repeats after equal time interval, that is called as periodic motion. Now let us see about oscillatory motion. Now what is oscillatory motion? तो दोस्तों हमारे डेली लाइफ में हम बहुत से एग्जांपल कंसीडर करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन एंड सिंपल इज नथिंग बट सिंपल पेंडुलम. Simple pendulum is best example of oscillatory motion. Suppose this is simple pendulum and this is the mean position, and if you displace the bob of simple pendulum through some angle theta and released, so what will happen? It moves in this direction and in this direction. That means, but the bob of simple pendulum moves along the same path in a to and fro manner. So this to and fro motion, to and fro motion of the bob, it is called as oscillatory motion. And the time to taken one complete oscillation, that is called as period of that oscillation. So oscillation is also periodic motion. देखिए दोस्तों, every periodic motion is need not to be oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is periodic, but every periodic motion may not be oscillatory. For example, here first example here we have discussed, that is motion of the earth around the sun is nothing but periodic motion, but it is not oscillatory. Whereas simple pendulum, it is periodic motion and it is oscillatory. So oscillatory motion is periodic, no doubt, but every periodic motion may not be oscillatory. Now let us come to the next point. So that is second point is nothing but linear SHM. It is short form. The complete name is linear simple harmonic motion. अब ये simple harmonic motion क्या है? Linear simple harmonic motion. ये सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन क्या है? तो दोस्तों जो हार्मोनिक वर्ड्स है, एक्चुअली दिस मोशन विच वेरीज विथ साइन और cosine function, that is called as harmonic function. These sine or cosine functions, these are called as harmonic function, and oscillatory motion is also varies with sine and cosine functions. Therefore such motion is also called as linear simple harmonic motion. So linear simple harmonic motion is, you can say, the simplest form of simple oscillations. दोस्तों चलो थोड़ी सी सिंपल डायग्राम डिस्कस करते हैं. Consider here one spring whose one end is attached to rigid wall or rigid support and other end is connected to block. The block is kept on frictionless surface, and when spring is in a relaxed position, consider this is the position of the block where displacement is not, or you can say it is in a relaxed position, so displacement x is 0. Hence there is no any force on the block, it is in a relaxed position. Now suppose the block is moved towards the right side, then spring is stretched and displacement is, you can say, in the positive direction, which is denoted as plus x. Now what happens? Due to displacement, the spring is stretched and force is acting on the block, and spring tries to move the block towards its mean position, and that force is given by F is equals to minus kx. No doubt we are going to derive that relation. So in this case, the spring tries to bring this block towards its mean position. So in simple words, we can say when the displacement is in positive direction, the force is in negative direction. So both are opposite to each other. When this block is released, what will happen? The block moves towards mean position, but it will not stop at the mean position. It will move in the same direction by the same amount, but in opposite to the previous one. So the displacement will be minus x, and the block when moves in the direction minus x, the force on the block due to this spring is also opposite to the displacement. So spring tries to move this block in opposite direction. Hence again in this case, second case, the displacement and force both are opposite to each other. So this is the basic condition in linear SHM. That means force and displacement, these two quantities are opposite to each other. Okay students, तो जो हमने अभी एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस किया उससे रिलेटेड हम लीनियर एसिस्टम के डेफिनेशन देखते. सो सी द लीनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन मीन्स व्हाट? द लीनियर पीरियोडिक मोशन ऑफ ए बॉडी इन विच फोर्स or acceleration is always directed towards the mean position and its magnitude is proportional to the displacement from the mean position. So see, in which force or acceleration is always directed towards mean position and magnitude is directly proportional to the displacement. So we can derive the relation. See, suppose F is force applied on the block and x is the displacement. Then if displacement is maximum, force is also maximum. If displacement is minimum, force also minimum. That is nothing but it is directly proportional. Again what we have discussed, हमने क्या देखा? अगर ब्लॉक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में डिस्प्लेस किया तो फोर्स की डायरेक्शन उसके अपोजिट नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में होती है, ये देखो. और अगर ब्लॉक मीन पोजीशन के नेगेटिव साइड को डिस्प्लेस किया तो फोर्स की डायरेक्शन उसी कंडीशन में फिर उससे अपोजिट होती है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट बोथ आर अपोजिट, सो यू कैन कंसीडर एज माइनस फॉर दैट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो F is directly proportional to minus x. Therefore we can say F is equals to minus kx. So where k is proportional constant, and here we can say as the constant which is related to material of the spring. So F is equals to minus kx. This is the relation for linear SHM. Therefore, in this example we have shown f is equals to minus kx. Here also f is equals to minus kx. मतलब ब्लॉक किसी भी डायरेक्शन में अगर डिस्प्लेस किया, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में हो या नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में, फोर्स इज ऑलवेज अपोजिट टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड इट इज गिवन बाय f इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस kx, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव साइड को हो या नेगेटिव साइड को. सो हियर thus we can say linear SHM and its relation.